here we need to open the battery cover and find this connection. It's a 6-pin connection, and unplug it and see if the blue wire is in good place or not. Here you need to see the pin here, if it's in good place as the others, and see if this one here bent or not, the blue pin. And if it's all good and in good connection, then we need to change the display of this. Maybe the mode of changing the dual mode, single mode, it's not functioning well of this display, so we need to double check.